Shwmae a chroeso I ddrill fideo mynediad 1, uned 4. Shwmae and welcome to the video drill for mynediad 1, unit 4. Please go over the vocabulary for the unit before doing the drill, as I'm sure your tutor has already explained. Also, as per usual, please don't read over your coursebook as we are going through the drills, as it is more important that you concentrate on what you are saying and your pronunciation. Today we will be learning how to say where we are from and where we are going to. Unit 4 introduces the soft mutation, a treiglad meddal, a soft mutation. But don't worry, peidiwch a phoeni, as your tutor will explain everything to you in your lesson. Right, banta ni, away we go. So to begin with, we're going to practice saying where we are from. So I come from, dwi'n dod o, I come from. Felly, so, beth yw, what is Swansea in Welsh? Abertawe, da iawn, Abertawe. Dwi'n dod o Abertawe. Dwi'n dod o Abertawe. Dwi'n dod o Abertawe. I come from Swansea. Da iawn. Dwi'n dod o Abertawe. Da iawn. Nesa, next, Harlech. Harlech. Great place, great castle. Dwi'n dod o Harlech. Dwi'n dod o Harlech. Dwi'n dod o Harlech. I come from Harlech. Da iawn. Dwi'n dod o Harlech. Da iawn, da iawn. Nesa, next, we're going to be practicing saying where we come from. We. Dyn ni'n dod o. We come from. Dyn ni'n dod o. Y Bala. Y Bala. Dyn ni'n dod o'r Bala. Dyn ni'n dod o'r Bala. Dyn ni'n dod o'r Bala. We come from Bala. Da iawn. Dyn ni'n dod o'r Bala. Da iawn. Nesa, next, beth yw, what is Abergavenny in Welsh? Y Fenni. Da iawn, y Fenni. Dyn ni'n dod o'r Fenni. Dyn ni'n dod o'r Fenni. Dyn ni'n dod o'r Fenni. We come from Abergavenny. Da iawn. Dyn ni'n dod o'r Fenni. Da iawn, da iawn. Nesa, next, a question, the question. And as you already know, there are two ways in Welsh to say you. We have the singular and informal ti and the plural and formal chi. So there will be two patterns for each question that use a you in it. So to begin with, we're going to be asking where you come from, singular and informal. O ble wyt ti'n dod? O ble rwyt ti'n dod? O ble rwyt ti'n dod? Where do you come from? Da iawn. O ble rwyt ti'n dod? Da iawn, da iawn. Nesa, next, the plural and formal version of this question. O ble dych chi'n dod? O ble dych chi'n dod? O ble dych chi'n dod? Where do you come from? Da iawn. O ble dych chi'n dod? Da iawn, da iawn. Next, we're going to be saying where people come from in the third person, a trydydd person in the third person. Felly, cwestiwn pwysig, a very important question. Beth yw, what is Wales in Welsh? Cymru, da iawn, Cymru. Mae Gareth yn dod o Gymru. Mae Gareth yn dod o Gymru. Mae Gareth yn dod o Gymru. Gareth comes from Wales. Da iawn. Mae Gareth yn dod o Gymru. Da iawn. Beth yw, what is England in Welsh? Lloegr. Lloegr. Mae Lisa yn dod o Loegr. Mae Lisa yn dod o Loegr. Mae Lisa yn dod o Loegr. Lisa comes from England. Da iawn. Mae Lisa yn dod o Loegr. Da iawn, da iawn. Next, what is, beth yw, Ireland in Welsh? Iwerddon, Iwerddon. Mae Iona yn dod o Iwerddon. Mae Iona yn dod o Iwerddon. Mae Iona yn dod o Iwerddon. Iona comes from Ireland. Da iawn. Mae Iona yn dod o Iwerddon. Da iawn. Beth yw, what is Scotland in Welsh? Alban. Alban. Mae Andrew yn dod o'r Alban. Mae Andrew yn dod o'r Alban. Mae Andrew yn dod o'r Alban. Andrew comes from Scotland. Da iawn. Mae Andrew yn dod o'r Alban. Da iawn. So next, we're going to be asking where somebody comes from in the third person. In the third person, a trydydd person. We have a lovely name here, Carmen, and we want to know, where does Carmen come from? O ble mae Carmen yn dod? O ble mae Carmen yn dod? O ble mae Carmen yn dod? Where does Carmen come from? Da iawn. O ble mae Carmen yn dod? Da iawn, da iawn. So next, we're going to be saying where we are going to. Dwi'n mynd I. I'm going to. Dwi'n mynd I. So this drill again is going to introduce the soft mutation, a treiglad meddal, ond eto, again, don't worry about it as your tutor will explain everything in your lesson. Beth yw, what is Cardiff in Welsh? A capital city, Caerdydd. Da iawn, Caerdydd. Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd. Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd. Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd. I'm going to Cardiff. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd. Da iawn. Nesa, Bangor. Bangor. Dwi'n mynd I Fangor. Dwi'n mynd I Fangor. Dwi'n mynd I Fangor. I'm going to Bangor. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd I Fangor. Da iawn. Nesa, next, Llandudno. Llandudno. Dwi'n mynd I Llandudno. Dwi'n mynd I Llandudno. Dwi'n mynd I Llandudno. I'm going to Llandudno. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd I Llandudno. Da iawn. Nesa, next, Pontypridd. 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 Dwi'n mynd I Pontypridd. Dwi'n mynd I Pontypridd. Dwi'n mynd I Pontypridd. I'm going to Pontypridd. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd I Pontypridd. Da iawn. Da iawn. Nesa, beth yw, what is cinema in Welsh? Not a trick question, it's cinema. Just spelled differently, so pronounced the same, cinema. Dwi'n mynd i'r cinema. Dwi'n mynd i'r cinema. Dwi'n mynd i'r cinema. I'm going to the cinema. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd i'r cinema. Da iawn. Nesa, next, beth yw, what is game in Welsh? Game. Da iawn. Game. Dwi'n mynd i'r game. Dwi'n mynd i'r game. Dwi'n mynd i'r game. I'm going to the game. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd i'r game. Da iawn. Beth yw, what is shop in Welsh? Da iawn. Shop. Not much difference there. Shop. Dwi'n mynd i'r siop. Dwi'n mynd i'r siop. Dwi'n mynd i'r siop. I'm going to the shop. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd i'r siop. Da iawn. Nesa, beth yw, what is museum in Welsh? Good word. Amgueddfa. 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 Dwi'n mynd i'r amgueddfa. Dwi'n mynd i'r amgueddfa. Dwi'n mynd i'r amgueddfa. I'm going to the museum. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd i'r amgueddfa. Da iawn. Gwych. Da iawn. Next, we're going to be saying where we are going to. Where we are going to. Dyn ni'n mynd i. Dyn ni'n mynd i. What is work in Welsh? Da iawn. Gwaith. Gwaith. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r gwaith. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r gwaith. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r gwaith. We are going to work. Da iawn. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r gwaith. Da iawn. Nesa, beth yw what is class in Welsh? Dosbarth. 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 Dyn ni'n mynd i'r dosbarth. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r dosbarth. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r dosbarth. We are going to class. Da iawn. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r dosbarth. Da iawn. Nesa, beth yw what is bed in Welsh? Da iawn. Gwely. Gwely. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r gwely. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r gwely. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r gwely. We are going to bed. Da iawn. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r gwely. Da iawn. What is, beth yw town in Welsh? Tre. Tre. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r dre. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r dre. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r dre. We are going to town. Da iawn. Dyn ni'n mynd i'r dre. Da iawn. Da iawn. Nesa, y cwestiynau. The questions. Y cwestiynau. So again, there's going to be two versions of asking where people are going. We have the singular and informal and the plural and formal. So to begin with, we're going to be asking, where are you, singular and informal, going? Felly, so, beth yw, what is tomorrow in Welsh? Yfory, yfory, yfory. Ble rwy ti'n mynd fory? Ble rwy ti'n mynd yfory? Ble rwy ti'n mynd yfory? Where are you going tomorrow? Da iawn, da iawn. Ble rwy ti'n mynd yfory? Da iawn. Beth yw, what is Sunday in Welsh? Da iawn, dydd Sul, dydd Sul. Ble rwy ti'n mynd dydd Sul? Ble rwy ti'n mynd dydd Sul? Ble rwy ti'n mynd dydd Sul? Where are you going on Sunday? Da iawn. Ble rwy ti'n mynd dydd Sul? Da iawn. Next, we're going to be doing the formal and plural version of this question. Beth yw, what is tomorrow night? Tomorrow night. Nos yfory, da iawn. nos yfory? Ble ydych chi'n mynd nos yfory? Ble ydych chi'n mynd nos yfory? Ble ydych chi'n mynd nos yfory? Where are you going tomorrow night? Da iawn. Ble ydych chi'n mynd nos yfory? Da iawn. Beth yw, what is Sunday night? Sunday night in Welsh. Da iawn. Nos Sul. Nos Sul. Ble ydych chi'n mynd nos Sul? Ble ydych chi'n mynd nos Sul? Ble ydych chi'n mynd nos Sul? Da iawn. Where are you going Sunday night? Da iawn. Ble ydych chi'n mynd nos Sul? Da iawn. Da iawn. Nesa, next, we're going to be saying what we are going to do. What we are going to do. So we can use this same pattern with verbs. Berfau. Verbs. So dwi'n mynd I, I'm going to do something. Dwi'n mynd I. So beth yw, what is shopping in Welsh? Shopping. Siopa. Da iawn. Siopa. Dwi'n mynd I siopa. Dwi'n mynd I siopa. Dwi'n mynd I siopa. Dwi'n mynd I siopa. I'm going shopping. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd I siopa. Da iawn, da iawn. Nesa, beth yw, what is swimming in Welsh? Swimming. Da iawn, nofio. Nofio. Dwi'n mynd I nofio. Dwi'n mynd I nofio. Dwi'n mynd I nofio. I'm going swimming. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd I nofio. Da iawn, da iawn. Beth yw, what is play golf? Play golf in Welsh. Chwarae golf. Chwarae golf. Dwi'n mynd I chwarae golf. Dwi'n mynd I chwarae golf. Dwi'n mynd I chwarae golf. I'm going to play golf. Da iawn, da iawn. Dwi'n mynd I chwarae golf. Da iawn. Beth yw, what is help a friend in Welsh? Help a friend. Da iawn, helpu ffrind. Helpu ffrind. Dwi'n mynd I helpu ffrind. Dwi'n mynd I helpu ffrind. Dwi'n mynd I helpu ffrind. I'm going to help a friend. Da iawn, da iawn. Dwi'n mynd I helpu ffrind. Gwych, brilliant, da iawn. Nesa, next, the next patterns are going to again introduce the soft mutation. Ond peidiwch a phoeni, as your tutor will go over everything in your lesson. Beth yw, what is read a book in Welsh? Read a book. Darllen llyfr. Darllen llyfr. Dwi'n mynd I ddarllen llyfr. Dwi'n mynd I ddarllen llyfr. Dwi'n mynd I ddarllen llyfr. I'm going to read a book. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd I ddarllen llyfr. Da iawn. Beth yw, what is to have a bath in Welsh? Cael bath. Da iawn. Cael bath. Dwi'n mynd I gael bath. Dwi'n mynd I gael bath. Dwi'n mynd I gael bath. I'm going to have a bath. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd I gael bath. Gwych. Nesa, next, beth yw eat lunch in Welsh? What is eat lunch in Welsh? Bwyta cinio, bwyta cinio. Dwi'n mynd I fwyta cinio. Dwi'n mynd I fwyta cinio. Dwi'n mynd I fwyta cinio. I'm going to eat lunch. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd I fwyta cinio. Da iawn. Beth yw, what is see a film in Welsh? See a film. Gweld ffilm, gweld ffilm. Dwi'n mynd I weld ffilm. Dwi'n mynd I weld ffilm. Dwi'n mynd I weld ffilm. I'm going to see a film. Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd I weld ffilm. Da iawn, da iawn. Da iawn, a congratulations, llongyfarchiadau.